From the creator of Automax walk-away shredders, Fellows introduces hands-free desk-side shredding for small and medium-sized offices with the 200C and 130C. Now offices of every size can experience truly walk-away shredding and a more productive work life. What makes Automax 200C and 130C truly walk away is their proprietary AccuFeed system, which shreds common stacks of paper, including glossy paper, double-sided color printed paper, and even crumpled paper. And with the 200C, you can also manually shred CDs, DVDs, and junk mail. Automax delivers dynamic performance from every angle. Consumer-driven features like auto reverse stops and reverses paper if a jam occurs. It's also ultra-quiet, energy-efficient, and easy to use with innovative touchscreen technology. Experience what a true automatic shredder should be: hands-free and hassle-free.